Okay, what better way to test out a new camera than to walk two Feist Terriers. Actually, they're just going to drag me because that's what they do. They like to kill rodents. That's what they do. Let's test out this new camera, huh? Yeah, let's get some rodents. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Go down here. Whee! Yeah, these dogs are really good dogs. They like to kill rodents and tear up blankets. That's about it. Much smarter than a pit bull though. And quicker. Woo! Okay, this is a good test for the camera, guys. Uh-oh, double P. Oh, you guys see that one? Good going, guys. The double P. Yin and yang. That was really sanitary. Uh-oh, don't cross the leashes. Okay. Well, this headgear is getting kind of bothersome. Okay. What's that? Some deer poo? Good stuff. Alright. Let's test out this new camera, boys. It's good. Whoa! No, no. Come on. No, no. Let's go back. Good boys. What's that? Uh-oh, rodent. Yeah, you guys never get to come over to this side. What do you got? Ooh. Deer poo. Oh, don't pee on, brother. Watch out. You guys got to work on your sanitary habits. All right, let's go. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Come on, you don't have to pee on everything.